Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV is connected to the internet and the Prime Video app is installed. This saves time and prevents errors. Once done, launch the app from the home screen or input device and choose Sign In. Make sure your Amazon credentials are at hand and keep your phone nearby for two-step verification prompts. This first phase gets you to the account entry screen quickly so you can focus on entering correct info without interruptions. Now you'll enter your email or phone and password using the TV's on-screen keyboard or a paired mobile device if the app supports it. This is faster and reduces typos. After you type credentials, the system often asks for a verification code to confirm it's you. When that 2FA prompt appears, retrieve the code from SMS, Authenticator app, or email and input it immediately so the session stays active. This step secures access and finish by confirming Sign In and choosing your profile. Once you see the Prime home screen, you're ready to browse. If Sign In fails, don't panic. Verify your password and network, close and reopen the app, or reboot the TV. Simple resets often clear cached errors. If problems persist, reset your Amazon password or use the account recovery flow and contact Amazon support with your device model and app version. This covers the final steps and a key troubleshooting path to restore access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.